Hi everyone, Guru here. Today I'm going to review Kent egg boiler. So this is something similar to boilers of like electric boiler of rice what we can see, and something similar in a way. It is boiling on electricity, but mainly this is boiling on a, it is not actually on within water. It is using the steam of the water which is vaporized, and then it will boil your egg properly. And whenever I used the egg boiling on a gas stove within the water, so the egg was not boiled to the correct extent. So it was always like either half boiled or more boiled, something in that way. And I never got my consistency, like whether it's a soft one which I want, or which if I want to boil it medium, or is it hard one, whichever I want. So that I'm not getting. So here I'm getting a three process one, something like a one. If you want, you can get it a soft one, you can get it a medium one, or if you can go with a hard one. I always prefer hard one rather than the soft and medium. So let me show you. This is the egg boiler. So it is 300 watt voltage, and it is I purchased around 1000 rupees. There are some other models also available. There are some other models available which are of lesser price, but when I saw that the wiring quality is not so good, and also the plastic body, how it is here, it is good one, but there it is just like a more of a complete plastic. Here the product is plastic plus steel combination, and also the wiring is very good here. It is a 3-pin. There many of the products which I saw, they were 2 pins actually. So that's why I just thought like, okay, better to go with the Kent, where it is I'm getting also 6 months to 1 year warranty I feel here. So in this box we are getting this user manual, and this egg boiler and egg keeping tray, and this is one water measuring cup, and this cup they have given extra actually. And I have seen that some people are making some other dishes of egg also using this one. In future, if I do any other dishes using this tray, maybe I'll just post a video on that. So let's see like how it will become. Okay, today I'm going to boil the egg for you in this tray. Okay, so you can see here. So this is the egg keeping tray, and this is the plastic lid on that. And on that lid, you can see here there are 3 nozzles are given. So this will remove the extra steam from the boiling cup. Okay, and this is the complete steel one, and here also the body is also steel one, and it is mainly this. If you can see here, it is from Kent, and I think here is a 1 year warranty is available here, I feel. Let's see here, is there anywhere it is mentioned? Okay, I think it is 1 year, but anyway. So till that time you can just see here like what all things are there in this. Okay, it is a 360 watt consumption. So now I will boil it in front of you only, like how to do it. So I am going for 2 egg boiling. Okay, then what I'll do, I just pour the water. So if you can see here, it is mentioned as hard, soft, and in between is medium here. On the other side you can see. I just pour more water here. Just pour the water. Okay. Now I am connecting here to the switch. So just keep the eggs. It's very simple in making. There is no complexity, just like how we make in a gas stove. So now I am keeping 2 eggs here. Okay. Just close the lid here. And here the one more auto function we can see is, once we start the machine, so once it is boiled, so automatically it will shut down. Okay, so now switch on here. Okay, so if you see here, there is a power on and off button as well. So I have switched on. So just hold for some time. Within a 10 to 15 seconds, you can see the vapors in the boiler. Let's hold it. Let's hold for some time. So till then I'll just explain you the button what you're seeing here currently. So this button will switch off automatically just after 10 minutes. Mostly when we are using for hard boiling based on the water, once the water will be evaporated, so this button will switch off automatically. So I think this is also one of the cool button, cool functioning. Just like if you forget also, this will stop. Now you can see here vapors. And the quality what you can see is quality is really good. So I think now you can see it's completely vaporized here. Okay, so they have kept put a button here like statement saying that it's a hot steam is coming here. So do not bring your children here, so that if they put hand here, so they may get a heat stroke. Okay, I'll just pause this video right now, and I will start once again once it is completed. This product is under 1 year warranty. This is the warranty card, but however they have forgot to write anything here. But what we can see is here, the product is already mentioned here. From the 1 year warranty is mentioned. As this is blank, you can use your invoice copy from wherever you have purchased it. If you have purchased from Amazon, use it Amazon, or use it Flipkart. So wherever the product is purchased, that invoice is required, and this warranty card is required. And now you can see the water droplets are forming up here, like around 6 to 7 minutes are done now. So now we can in another 3-4 minutes it will complete. Okay, now 10 minutes are over. So now you can see the button has been switched off here. So what we can do just after that, just make it straight and then stop the button, because it should not go on without water. Okay, just remove it. And now I'm going to place, just wait for some time, and once it is done, we can transfer these eggs to a cold water, so that removing eggs is very easy after that. So now you can see the water droplets here. So it is very hot. Do not touch directly. If you want to open it, just wait for some time, or you can just it from the side here. If you can see this side and other side. So I'll just wait for some time so that it will be slightly cold. So now we are going to remove this cap. Just keep it aside. So I have transferred it to a cold water jar. So now we will wait for some time so that it will cool down, and then we can remove the outer shell easily. So once you are done, you can just wipe this properly. Okay, so then you wipe this one, make it dry. This also. So once you keep it properly clean, so it will long last. Okay, so everything is clean. Just keep it outside so that it will dry for after some time. So now we are going to remove the shells. Okay, I am not an expert, but anyway, I'll just show you. So if you see here now, it is removing is very easy. On a gas it is not so easy, because like when you boil this also, if it is not boiled properly, so this will become, it is sticky to the eggshells. Now you can see, so easily I am removing. So let's cut and I will show you. I think this time the water was not, there was I think still less, so that's why if you can see here it is not boiled properly, but earlier also I used it, that time it was boiled properly, so I can see that difference here also in this egg. It is not boiled properly this time, but